You may have seen some of the fastest and most luxurious vehicles in the world, but have you ever imagined the most unusual vehicles that can amaze us? From futuristic flying cars to cargo flying ships and other innovative designs, these creations might make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. Let's explore these unique vehicles and groundbreaking transportation systems that are captivating the world. EVX, a super compact electric car. EVX is one of the smallest electric cars in the world, with a width of only 78 centimeters, but still offering space for 2 people. The car can reach a speed of 45 kilometers and travel 50 kilometers on a single charge. Despite its compact size, it's equipped with luxurious features like comfortable seating, automatic side mirrors, and solar panels, making it a top-tier urban transportation solution. Moving Life Atto Sport, a scooter that transforms into a suitcase. Atto Sport is a creative scooter that folds into a compact size resembling a suitcase. When not in use, you can pull it like luggage thanks to its integrated wheels. When you need to travel, simply unfold it, sit down, and start riding. The scooter is equipped with a digital display and shock-absorbing systems, providing a smooth and convenient riding experience. Flying Ship, modern cargo flying vehicle. Flying Ship is an all-electric, semi-autonomous cargo transport vehicle designed for ultimate efficiency. This flying ship optimizes transportation performance, moving faster than traditional boats thanks to its advanced aerodynamic design. Capable of taking off from water surfaces, it revolutionizes the logistics industry by delivering goods quickly and effectively. Klein Vision, a real-life flying car. Ever dreamed of a flying car like the ones in movies? Klein Vision turns that dream into reality with its aerodynamic design and powerful 160 horsepower BMW engine. This car not only runs on the road, but can also fly at an incredible speed of 300 km/h with a range of up to 1,000 kilometers. The most impressive feature is its ability to transform from a car into a plane in just 3 minutes. Once you reach your destination, you can convert it back into a car to drive on the road effortlessly. U-Scooter, foldable and wearable transport. Have you ever imagined a vehicle that can fold into a compact size and be worn around your waist like a belt? U-Scooter makes this a reality. With an innovative and unique design, this scooter folds within seconds. When not in use, you can wear it as a fashionable accessory. When needed, simply unfold it, adjust it, and start moving. This is the perfect choice for those who value convenience and compactness, especially in crowded urban areas. Barbagallo X01, a hybrid of bicycle and electric car. If you want to experience driving a car without actually sitting inside one, then Barbagallo X01 is for you. This is one of the most advanced vehicles, featuring a sleek, futuristic Italian design. The vehicle is a hybrid between a bicycle and an electric car, powered by your pedaling. Its standout features include a premium seat, a sleek body, and an electric motor that converts pedaling energy into motion. It also has solar panels on its roof to harness natural energy. With Barbagallo X01, you not only enjoy the joy of driving, but also contribute to environmental protection. Scalevo, a modern solution for stair climbing. How many times have you felt helpless climbing stairs with a bicycle, wheelchair, or motorbike? With Scalevo, all those challenges become a thing of the past. This is a modern wheelchair equipped with sensors, cameras, and a touchscreen to help you overcome any obstacle with ease. When climbing stairs, the sensors measure the height of each step and program the wheelchair to move backward, climbing each step at a speed of 1 step per second. The highlight is the caterpillar-like system that lifts the chair smoothly, ensuring no jerking or discomfort for the person seated. Once the stairs end, the main wheels automatically come down, allowing you to continue your journey seamlessly. You can confidently go to bus stops, libraries, or anywhere without worrying about barriers.